Yeah, it was a very enjoyable experience. I thought we started the game well. We were really on the front foot. We were dominating the game. Yeah, it was good to get the goal, and then second half we probably didn't control it as much as we'd like, but yeah, it's important to get the win at home.
For yourself personally, Josh, a lot of talk has been made this week about the lack of depth in this midfield position. You really had to step up tonight. What was the message from Craig?
Yeah, when the gaffer pulled me and he said we were playing, he's just asked me am I ready, and I've been in a lot of camps now. I haven't played that many games, and I've been watching from the side, and I've always wanted to be on the pitch and showing what I can do, and thankfully tonight I could do that.
We've obviously seen over the last couple of games, the second half can be a little bit of a struggle. How important was it that you guys continued the momentum to go in and not let anything slip this evening?
Yeah, exactly. We know that obviously the first half we dominate the game, and then when we've got a goal up or 2 goals up like we have, we know they're going to change and maybe go a bit more careless and just press and come after us. So yeah, for us it's about learning, and going forward we just need to be able to, like you said, control the game in the second half, and if we can get that third or second goal like tonight, then I think it kills the game. So for us, yeah, it's about learning, and in the next camps that's what we want to do.
Got to ask, Joe Allen coming onto the pitch to help you out, what was it like being back with Joe, that whole Swansea connection as well? It's great to have him back in that Wales shirt.
Yeah, exactly. I think I've grown up with watching Joey when I was younger, the youth team, watching him in the first team of Swans, and I've followed him obviously with Wales all my career, all my life. So yeah, it was a good noise when he come on as well from the Welsh fans, and yeah, it's a special moment to share a pitch with him.
And the fact that you guys are unbeaten in this Nations League campaign, 4 games in, how much of a boost does that give you going into the final 2 games?
Yeah, exactly. We want to go into every game. We want to win. We want to dominate and control the game. That's nothing less than what we want to do. So yeah, going into the next 2, we know obviously if we win the 2 games, we can qualify it. But yeah, for us, it's just about learning and moving forward, and us getting better as a team.
Josh, diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.